In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who viewed your LinkedIn profile for free. If you've ever wanted to know whether recruiters, potential clients, or other professionals have been checking out your profile, LinkedIn makes this fairly simple to access using its built-in analytics. The good news is that you can view this information directly from your profile without needing any extra tools or paid software. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your profile page. You can do this after signing into your account by clicking on your profile picture or your name, which will take you to the main profile view. This is the page where your professional headline, experience, and other profile details are displayed. Make sure you're on your own profile and not someone else's, since the profile analytics section only appears on your personal page. Once you're on your profile, look for the analytics section. This area gives you a quick snapshot of how your profile is performing, and it may include information like search appearances, post impressions, or profile views, depending on your account activity. In this section, find the option labeled Profile Views and click on it. When you open Profile Views, LinkedIn will show you information about people who have viewed your profile. What you can see for free may depend on the viewer's own privacy settings and your current LinkedIn account type. In some cases, you may see full names and job titles. In other cases, you might only see partial information, such as industry, role, or that the person viewed your profile anonymously. That's normal, and it's controlled by LinkedIn's privacy features. A useful tip here is to check this section regularly if you're networking, job hunting, or growing your professional presence. Profile views can give you clues about who is noticing your experience and can help you decide whether to update your profile, improve your headline, or reach out to someone relevant. Also, keep in mind that if you change your own profile viewing settings to private mode, your ability to see detailed viewer information may become more limited. So if visibility matters to you, it's worth being aware of how your privacy settings affect what you can access. And that's it. Just go to your LinkedIn profile, find the analytics section, and click Profile Views to see who has viewed your profile for free. It's quick, built into LinkedIn, and a useful feature for understanding who's engaging with your professional presence.